In this video, I'll break down my top 5 electric screwdrivers, my experiences, and which electric screwdriver I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked electric screwdriver, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best electric screwdriver and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Worx WX240L. This is our 5th rated pick, but is a great choice for those on a budget and offers impressive versatility with its 3 digital torque settings. This 4-volt cordless screwdriver provides 22, 33, and 44 inch-pounds of torque, allowing users to tackle a variety of tasks with precision. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing just 1.5 pounds, makes it ideal for tight spaces and extended use. The screwdriver features a max speed of 300 RPM and includes dual LED lights for improved visibility in dark areas. With a USB-C rechargeable battery that holds a charge for up to 18 months, the WX240L ensures convenience and reliability. The kit comes with a comprehensive set of bits, enhancing its utility for various applications. Its ergonomic handle with rubber overmolding provides comfort during use. While not suited for heavy-duty tasks, the Worx screwdriver excels in light to medium-duty applications, making it a valuable tool for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners. At number 4, we have the SKIL SD 5619. The SKIL Twist 2.0 stands out with its innovative pivoting head that locks at 0, 22.5, and 45-degree angles, enhancing ergonomics in tight spaces. This 4-volt cordless electric screwdriver offers 3 torque settings, allowing users to adapt to various applications. Its 22 inch-pounds of torque and 240 revolutions per minute no-load speed provide sufficient power for most light-duty tasks. The tool features a convenient one-finger trigger for forward and reverse operation, and an LED light for improved visibility in dark areas. With a USB-C rechargeable integrated battery, the Twist 2.0 ensures easy charging and extended use. The 1/4-inch hex collet accepts standard bits, increasing versatility. At just 0.8 pounds and 7.3 inches long, it's compact and lightweight. At number 3, we have the CRAFTSMAN CMHT 66718B20. The CRAFTSMAN electric screwdriver offers impressive versatility in a compact design. This 4-volt rechargeable tool features a 300 revolutions per minute motor that drives screws 4 times faster than a standard manual screwdriver. Its 40mm length mirrors that of a traditional screwdriver, making it ideal for use in tight spaces. The integrated 1.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting reliability, with a convenient micro USB charging port and a 3-stage LED battery status indicator. Automatic LED lights activate during use, enhancing visibility of the work surface. The screwdriver includes 18 1-inch bits and a 1.5-inch bit extension, covering a wide range of applications. An automatic spindle lock engages when additional torque is needed, allowing for manual tightening. The quick-change locking collet ensures reliable bit hold and easy changeover. At number 2, we have the DEWALT DCF 682N1. This is our runner-up pick and stands out with its innovative gyroscopic control system. This 8-volt max screwdriver offers variable speed from 0 to 430 RPM, providing precise control for various applications. Its motion-activated variable speed and reversing control allow for seamless operation in wood, plastic, and light-gauge metal. The tool features a 1/4-inch hex chuck for quick bit changes and compatibility with standard bits. With a 15-position clutch, it reduces the risk of stripping screws. The built-in LED light illuminates work areas without shadowing, enhancing visibility in confined spaces. The lithium-ion battery provides extended runtime and charges in just 1 hour. Weighing 907 grams, it's relatively lightweight for comfortable use. The screwdriver's durability is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, demonstrating DEWALT's confidence in its construction and performance. At number 1, we have the HOTO electric screwdriver. This is the best electric screwdriver you can buy for the price and offers impressive versatility with its 3-gear torque selector and 12 included S2 steel alloy bits. This 3.6-volt cordless tool features a maximum torque of 4 Nm and a top speed of 220 RPM, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. The 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery provides extended use, capable of handling over 1,000 screws on a single charge. Recharging is convenient via the USB-C port. The screwdriver's design is both functional and stylish, with an aluminum case that doubles as a bit holder. A shadowless LED ring light enhances visibility during use, automatically turning off after 10 seconds to conserve battery. The tool's compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Durability is ensured by the metal gearbox and strong magnetic motor, which can withstand temperatures from -40 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The lock mode allows for manual operation when needed. So that sums up my top 5 electric screwdrivers. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.